What's up? I'm Will Productions. We're coming back at y'all with another fashion review right here. Right here, what I got inside this bag right here. I want to say shout out to the Level Up store. Shout out to 211. Shout out to Deuce. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. For real, for real. Right here, we having this great bag. It's Cory Drive. You feel me? This is a great piece right here from Cory Drive. The packaging, you feel me? I had to let Deuce know about the packaging as well. This packaging is dope right here, you feel me? Because if a company give you great packaging, they really care for their clients, they really care for their supporters, they really care for the people that's going to be rocking the merch. Quality is everything. Quality over quantity for sure. And he also has a barcode here for the Brown website right here. That's dope, you feel me? Can't go wrong. You can see at the bottom of the bag it says www.corydrive.com is the website to get this piece if you haven't had it. It's also the back of the bag, www.corydrive.com again with another barcode. If you didn't see it on this side, it's on this side, you feel me? We finna get into it. It's a Ziploc bag as well. This piece right here. Yes, girl. Yes, princess. This piece right here, OMG. It's the Cory Drive wine mixer shirt right here, 1992. See the tag right here, great quality. And this is a medium, but these run heavy for surely. It's a dope logo right here. I'm gonna put this in a nice piece for real, you feel me? Princess girl, yes. You walking with that girl. Great fit for real. I told you guys this was a medium. You can see the logo. This is dope logo right here. Catalina, as you can see. You see the boats, the beach houses, the docks, man. Why we want to see nothing like this, man? Palm trees, wine mix from 1992. This is a dope shirt right here. I like this a lot. The water, the mountains in the back. This is a great art piece right here. I'm gonna put this together in something nice. I got something coming dope with this for surely. You guys will see. Stay in tune. Make sure y'all follow at i.m.w. Follow at Will Productions on Instagram. Also subscribe to the channel at Will Productions. Isaiah Williams. And there's more in store. Appreciate y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I want y'all to comment, like, subscribe. Also share, you feel me? Once again, go follow the Level Up store if you haven't. You could go down there and get you some great pieces, you feel me? They got great stuff in stores. But this is Cory Drive right here. And I'll be back with y'all at the next video.
That was good.